Hello everyone, how are you? In this video, we will learn 8 and 9 times tables. Then we will practice some multiplication on the Soroban. Are you ready? Let's start. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Now 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Now let's practice on the Soroban. 8 fives are 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, right? 8 fours are 32, right? 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 32. 8 nines are 72, 50, 60, 70, 1, 2. 8 eights are 64, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 sevens are 56, 55, 6. Now 9 sixes are 54, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 threes are 27, 10, 20, 5, 6, 7. 9 sevens are 63, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, right? 9 fours are 36, 10, 20, 30, 50, 6. 9 twos are 18, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 nines are 81, 50, 60, 70, 80, 1. Right? See how easy that was. Practice more at home. See you soon. Bye-bye.